Hi! Beat the heat with this cool and crisp watermelon cucumber mint salad. It's hydrating, protein packed, and bursting with summer flavor. This refreshing summer salad comes together in minutes and is packed with flavor and crunch. I've already prepped the watermelon and cucumber to keep things quick. Just a simple chop, nothing fancy. Let's take a look at the ingredients. If you are enjoying this recipe, tap like and subscribe because we have got more easy and healthy summer ideas coming your way. We are tossing juicy watermelon, refreshing cucumber, mint, then adding a protein punch with hemp and pumpkin seeds. Now I'm adding a pinch of salt, a little black pepper, and squeezing in a half a lime to bring all the flavors together. This step is completely optional, but I'm adding some vegan cheese for a creamy, tangy twist. It pairs perfectly with sweet watermelon and crunchy cucumber. Finally, I'm adding pre-washed baby supergreens just before tossing. This keeps them fresh and crisp while absorbing all the summer's flavors. This is your go-to salad for summer. Simple, fresh, and oh so satisfying. It's perfect for lunch boxes, side salads, or a light meal you can prep in minutes. Serve chilled and enjoy a salad that's hydrating, protein-rich, and bursting with summer flavor. If you try this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more healthy eats. Bye-bye.